Hello friends, most welcome to my channel greensoch. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get my latest updates. Microgreens are mini version of edible vegetables, herbs and spices and ultra healthy as compared to their mature counterparts. They enhance, enrich and increase the nutritional value multifold and add flavor, presentation and texture to dishes. The good news, these days a lot of people in India have started growing microgreens, but they don't know how to use it. Do you know microgreens can be used in a number of ways and can be easily incorporated in. Today I am going to share some easy recipes of microgreens. I have made some videos on microgreens, how to grow them, their health benefits and some easy recipes of microgreens. You can watch them, link already shared in my description box. try out these tasty delicious recipes of microgreens and give me feedback. I hope you enjoyed the video. फिर मिलेंगे। नमस्कार।